somebody never traded options before, and the first thing they're saying to you is, I have a $5,000 account. I think what's interesting is you just mentioned that you're only looking at 10 stocks. You're whittling all the way down to 10 before you even look at the strategy. I think that a lot of people that we see coming into our community, they use our strategy of order flow, but then they're using it all over the place. They're not dialed in. Most of the professional options traders that I know trade the same stocks or ETFs, honestly, over and over again each month.
Yep. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with just picking individual ETFs or actually the broad market. So to answer your question, if somebody had, let's say, a smaller account, like $5,000, I wouldn't even go necessarily drill down to individual stocks. I would go to Y or Q to start there. And I would actually execute multi-leg strategies using SPY and QQQ. So I get familiar with not necessarily the different names, but with the strategies. That's what's most important, because that's gonna carry down no matter whether you're trading the broad market or whether you're trading a sector or whether you're trading an individual stock. So if someone has a smaller account, learn obviously when you should be buying puts and calls, but also learn some of the double leg strategies like vertical spreads, diagonal spreads, stuff like that, credit spreads, the stuff that we cover in our class.